Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Rail fan here, and we got my friend close to like 11:42. I just heard him trying to warn us. He's running about like 3 hours and 33 minutes late, or 22 minutes late, something like that. He was supposed to arrive at Syracuse at 7. He was supposed to get out of Syracuse and arrive there like close to like 7:01 and get out of there at 7:06. But he arrived a little late today, and yeah, there he is. But I'm glad we're able to catch him since we're running late.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 280.0. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 2-4. End of transmission. CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 323.6. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 488. End of transmission. CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 313.7. Track 2.
There he goes, probably led by 127, and he's running late. I'm glad we're able to catch him since he's running late. He's running late due to early this morning. Early this morning.
Great to see you, pal. We'll see you next week, hopefully.